I always show the fun side or the good side of Holgate and the birds and that, but every once in a while you come across the other side of nature. It's a large wing, and you can look at the coloration, and I'm kind of nervous, worried that that's a raptor wing, piece of it anyway. It has likely been consumed by another predator here, and I'm thinking a fox. Though I wouldn't put it by raptors to attack other raptors. But again, that's the less appealing side of Mother Nature.